Okay everyone, hello and welcome again to my channel. So we've got another unboxing. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to open this one, so let's go. I think yeah, mostly it's gonna be appearing in the thumbnail of the video, right, and also into the title. So I think you already know this one. Yeah. Okay, we've got a new tripod. So this is a selfie tripod. Okay, and which is a really nice. Okay, it's because it is a selfie stick portable. Okay, we got the selfie stick portable, and then you can use it just like a gimbal. Okay, so okay, let's go. Gonna have to check this out. Okay, product information is a modern Bluetooth name selfie. Uh, Version 5.2, capacity of battery 555 milliamp hour, net weight of product, and then also let's go. Gonna have to check it out. We got the M1 mini selfie stick portable. We got a wireless remote also for recording videos and also capturing pictures. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to oops. Okay, so we've got a type C. Okay, wait, this one. Okay, we got this keychain. Okay, we got a keychain. So let's go. Gonna have to check this one. It is so small, right? Yeah, got some manual over here, and yeah, it's a plastic one. Okay, it's a plastic one. Okay, we're just gonna have to put it like that one. So let's go. Gonna have to get my phone. Okay. Yeah, there you go. And then you just have to put it like that one, and then we got some microphone right over here at the top, so you can put, and then you just gonna have to hold it like that. You can hold it like that one also, right? So yeah, perfect. And also you're gonna have to put that one right over here, and then this is the shutter, right? So you can take this one also. You can take the shutter also. Here you go. You can take the shutter, and then we're just gonna have to open this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to get onto the Bluetooth. I'm gonna have to make a review for this one also. Okay, there you go. We got the selfie, and then let's go. Gonna have to for that one. Okay, and it's here you go. Okay, there you go. So let's go. Gonna have to this. I believe this one right here is also gonna be okay. This is gonna be, gonna have to, and then also you have to put it back, this one right over here, and then you just have to start making like this one, right? So gonna have to press that one. So gonna have to try that one. Let's go. Gonna have to go to the camera. Okay. uh, okay, let's go. Gonna have to check some pictures. Okay, have to one. Yeah, perfect. So gonna have to this was one, right? So that is I have to press that one, this one right over here. So let's go. Gonna have to change the angle of the camera so that you will see how to use the expand this one. Okay, how to expand this. Okay, so right, so we've got the English. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Start pressing and hold the camera button for the second. Okay, I know. Okay, and then on and off. Okay, okay, I didn't know that there's an on and off button. Okay, so I have to change the angle of the camera. Okay, so alright, there we go, the rabbit. So this is the, so it's not gonna be, for that one. Okay, so this is just like this one. So for the selfie camera, so it is not gonna be retractable. So yeah, gonna have to look at that one. So but yeah, but I think I can use the icon, but I think I can take this off again. So this we're gonna have to, you're just gonna have to, okay, gonna have to press that one. Okay, on how to push. Okay, so you're gonna have to, okay, so how to do, okay, let's go, gonna have to check that one. So on how to remove control unit. Yeah, so reach charging mode, and then switch. Okay, there's a switch in here also. Yeah, gonna have to take that one. Oops. Okay, there you go. So yeah, I'm gonna have to, I believe you can also use like that one, right? So yeah, I believe you can also use that one. And oh yeah, there you go, there you have it. Yeah, so you can still yeah, and then how long that is gonna be. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, okay, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you just have to, if you can also make a TikTok video, right? So you're just gonna have to do it like that once. Okay, yeah, there you go. And if you want to make some makeup tutorial video, this is a really good one. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. So yeah, and then you can also use it just like that one, right? So for tutorial video. So I'm gonna get over to the camera. So there you go. And then yeah, you're gonna have to make it like that one. Okay, so let's go, gonna have to make a video. Okay, so alright, so you just have to press that one. Okay, hope it's gonna be working. Okay, and yeah, there you go. So it's already like that one. So yeah, it's already, it's so dark. It's because of the light. Yeah, it's not so good. Okay, the light in the ceiling. Okay, yeah. So if I'm gonna have to go into the, like that one. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, perfect. So there you go, like that one. Yeah, there you have it. Very good. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, very nice, good. So it can also record video. Okay, so I'm gonna have to stop. There you go, it's already stopped. I think this is a good one, right? It is a good one rather than this one, right? So it takes too long to stop the video for this one in my heyday, right? It is heyday. It is also has a tripod also, right? A selfie monopod, right? It's also a selfie monopod, but it's taking too long for me to stop the video. Okay, but this one right here is a really good one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to use this one. I'm gonna have to connect this one into this phone right over here that I'm using for the video. All right, so yeah, perfect. And it's also a really good one. So if you really wanted to have this kind of selfie stick, okay, so you can also change it, right? That one, right? So you're gonna have to put that one right over there, and then just press it, and then there you go, there you have it. You just have to make this yeah, perfect, a really nice selfie stick. Okay, and it's also a sturdy one. Okay, it is not wobbling up, it is not a wobbling one. Okay, you're gonna have to change it, and then you can also use it just like that also, right, for a wide angle video, right? So you just have to, okay, so you just have to, you know, if you want to, okay, if you, okay, there you go. If you want to, this one right over here, okay, and then there you go, there you have it. So yes, this one is a really good. So how to collapse this one, so I'm gonna have to, okay, so yeah, there you go. Yeah, nice, and a very very compact and a lightweight selfie stick. Okay, a perfect selfie stick. Okay, this one right over here, very good and love it. Okay, so one good thing is, okay, one good thing is I can, you know, for this one, so just gonna have to rotate this one. Okay, it is I'm gonna have to, so I'm gonna have to turn off the Bluetooth. So since I will always accidentally, right, I will always accidentally press the, you know, right, so I will always press accidentally press. So in order for me to turn it off, I think I'm gonna have to, there you go, so it's already turned off. Okay, so one thing is also yeah, I forgot how to collapse this one. So it says push, yeah, push. Okay, yeah, or should I say pull? So yeah, should I say pull? So okay, yeah, need some trouble with this one. Okay, so yeah, this one right here is also can be a, you know, yeah, and also you can attach this one. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be a nice one, but yeah, I believe, okay, yeah, I don't want to break this one. Okay, so how to fold again? Okay, so if not gonna be in use, so yeah, gonna have to, yeah, okay, that's gonna be this one right over here. So but yeah, overall that is gonna be, okay, that is gonna be the last, that's gonna be the last one. Okay, there you go. Yeah, nice. Okay, love it. Yeah, perfect. So one good thing is for me is to, one good thing is this one, so I can't, you know, okay, so yeah. Oh, okay, there you go. All right, there you go. There you have it. So you just have to look at that, and then you just have to use it just like that one, right? So yeah, there you go. Yeah, that is easy. Okay, I didn't know that. Yeah, there you go, and then you just have to, you just have to press like that one. Yeah, all right. So yes, a really good selfie camera if you really do want to bring this one into your travel. A nice one. Okay, a really nice one. Okay, so you can, it can, you cannot take this off. Okay, so but you know, this one right here is, you can also adjust. Okay, you can also adjust that one if you want to, right? So perfect, love it. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and also I hope like it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will notify our upcoming YouTubers. Okay, so stay tuned, is because I will give you some of my good stuff here on channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify our upcoming YouTubers. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you again on the next one. All right.